The world is a beautiful place, isn't it? The setting sun and the countless shades of pinks, oranges, yellows, and reds we see can leave us speechless. It turns out those combinations of colors aren't countless, and there is an animal that can see 100,000 more colors than we can. Dogs can only see two base colors, blue and yellow. Imagine that, only being able to see from two base colors without even knowing. Us humans can perceive all visible colors visible to our eyes through three base pigments, RBG, red, blue, and green. Everything we see is a combination of those pigments, and without even one of them, like red, we would have the visual spectrum of our beloved canine friends. As much as we see, or rather, as much as we think we see, there are other animals that perceive much more than we do. Humans can see a very small portion of the electromagnetic spectrum known as visible light. Then there are bees and butterflies which can see using ultraviolet light. Butterflies are remarkable because they have two extra cones that perceive more base colors, totaling 5 rather than our 3. Think of how beautiful a sunset would look to a butterfly if they have the ability to see two colors that you can't even imagine, as well as the numerous additional colors those two pigments would create. Our sunsets would pale in comparison. Then we come to the legendary mantis shrimp, or as some biologists refer to them, shrimp from Mars. Not only can these special creatures see into the infrared ultraviolet range on the electromagnetic spectrum, they have 13 additional pigments that make up their visible world. There are theories about why mantis shrimp have such incredible vision, and they incorporate a lot of science behind them. Just covering the basics would take a few hours, but the bottom line is that these animals have supreme vision as a means of communication, just like butterflies. Now, I'm not upset that butterflies and mantis shrimp can see way more colors than me. Although a sunset would be astonishing to look at with thousands of new colors involved, I just wonder, what if a dog could see what we see? All the colors that we see. Would a dog even notice if they lived their whole lives seeing more colors like the colors that we humans see? Would we notice if we had the ability to see what a mantis shrimp could?